Hey everyone, Josh here with the JDub Outdoors NZ YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well, and in today's episode I'm out camping in New Zealand's high country once again with my brother. And I'll tell you what, some good fun. We're doing some tramping to these high country mountain lakes, and we're also camping in a hidden spot that hopefully not many people know about. So I'll tell you what, it's a blooming good one, so sit back, relax and enjoy. All this water behind me is all fresh, clear, beautiful drinking water. So it's perfectly fine to drink from this water because there's actually signs all around the place which shows you streams that you can drink out of, which are perfectly fine to drink from. So if you're ever low on water, whether you're camping or something, there's quite a lot of streams around, and there will be signs letting you know. It's so nice that in our beautiful land of New Zealand, there's fresh drinking water that you can help yourself to. We have just made it to the Twin Lakes. So the plan is to hike there, hopefully try a bit of fishing, and hopefully catch ourselves a brown trout, because there are brown trout in this lake, which is pretty cool. And it's a 30-minute walk there and 30-minute back. So let's get on it. Off we go. So this car park here is actually for quite a few walks. So that's Saddle Hut, so that goes right up the top. Kupaponga Lakes is where we're going. Macintosh Hut that way. So we are going to head down here. Whoa, she's pretty overgrown. I haven't been down here for almost a year, so it's going to be pretty cool to see how these lakes look. Wow, how cool is that? I was hoping to do a bit of top water fishing today, but it's not hot enough, so I can't see that happening. So we'll just do a bit of walking around and a bit of exploring and just enjoy the peace and quiet. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are keen to see a video of me camping and dry fly fishing this lake for brown trout, because I tell you what, it's so much fun when the fish are going hard out, because there's just so many fish just jumping all over the place when it's nice and warm, when there's heaps of cicadas out, and that's when you get loads of fish on the dry fly. It's so much fun. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see a video just like that. Since I mentioned how it's Twin Lakes, there's actually another lake through this little walkway here. You can't really get to it too well, but I'll try my best and I'll show you guys. You can't even get to it because it's all overgrown, but that's it right there. Curves right around the corner there, but you can't actually walk around it, which is a bit of a bummer, but it's all good. Alrighty, time to hit the trails again and head back to the car, and then we're off to our campsite. Just made it to the shingle track, and our campsite is right at the top of this mountain. So we're gonna get there very shortly, set up camp, and there's a really cool spot where you can see the view. So hopefully it's a good sunset. We'll have a few beers and just watch that sunset from the view. I reckon it'll be beautiful. It's very misty and cloudy at the moment, which kind of sucks because it's meant to be a beautiful sunny night. Bummer. Hopefully it comes right. This guy's a wood pigeon. Oh crap, can't see it on the camera. There it is. made it to camp, guys. It's a lovely hidden spot. We are 950 meters in elevation, so it would be pretty cool camping here in the winter because good chance that you'd have snow. It's already very cold. I'm definitely going to have to chuck on a jacket, but there's the beautiful rig there. Hopefully the lighting is good enough for you guys. It's about 20 past 7 at the moment. I'm just making my way to the view now. You got to go through a bit of bush, but tell you what, it's blooming worth it. Look at that. I can't believe that it is almost mid-November and it's this cold up here. I just wouldn't expect it. It's going to get about, it said 5 degrees tonight, but I reckon it's going to get colder. Maybe 5 degrees in the temperature, but that wind gust, it's unbelievable. But hey, I'm nice and snug now. All done for now until we flip open the tent, then we can do the final touches. I still have to tie down the awning and the tent once that's all done, and then we'll get some dinner on. Alrighty, it's that time of night. Cheers, guys. Sadly, there's no sunset tonight because if you can see over there, whole lot of cloud. It was meant to be a beautiful sunny day out here, but weather forecast is never right, so oh well. All good. Hopefully it's a nice sunrise. So anyway, cheers. Oh, I love beer. Lights are on, it's getting dark out. We're just going to sit back, relax, and then we'll cook tea soon. Alright guys, it's time to chuck on dinner. Get this cranking. We have some beef sausages for tonight, and we're going to do some sausage. So we're going to have some sausages and bread with a bit of sauce on top. So nice and basic. Then tomorrow's breakfast we're going to have some eggs. Since these are straight raw, they're going to take about 20 minutes to cook, so we'll have them on a low heat. Get some oil on this pan. Listen to that sizzle, how good. Alrighty, our sausages are finally done. Turn that off. We'll get these going, eh? Alrighty, let's dig in. You reckon? Oh yeah. That's good. That's probably the best I've cooked these sausages so far. This is my daily reminder. If you guys have a vehicle, even if it's a two-wheel drive SUV, you can always get out there and get to a campsite and do this. There's nothing stopping you. And it's lovely and peaceful too. Alrighty guys, so we've run into a bit of a predicament. So my camping battery has ran out of juice to charge my fridge, lights, and also my diesel heater. So what I've had to do is I've had to start my vehicle, and then I had to unplug my original car battery so then I can chuck in my camping battery, and then the alternator while the car is running, so that will charge my camping battery. So I've left it running for 30 minutes, and I've also given it a bit of res for around 5 minutes, so hopefully that will be enough, so then I can have my diesel heater going tonight, because it's definitely very cold out here. Alrighty guys, so I've just taken the battery out, swapped them over, all good. So I am praying that we have enough battery to run this diesel heater. Here we go. Oh, it looks like it's on. Sweet. The old Bushman fix worked. How good. Oh, that is so good. Sweet as, guys. Alrighty. So that's our bedtime. So I'll see you in the morning. Hey, good morning, guys. I've just walked over to the view, and I saw something that I did not expect that I'll be able to see from this angle. I'll show you right now. So just behind me over there is Mount Ruapehu. So that's the highest mountain in the North Island. That is so cool that I can see it from here. I'll get a close-up for you guys so you guys can see it. It is a bit misty since it is a bit of a distance away, but man, it's such a cool view. Okay guys, gonna have a hot chocolate to start off the morning. Cheers guys. These eggs are very ugly, but oh well. I'm sure they'll still taste the same. I just broke the yolk. Cheers guys. It's still pretty good. Tent's done, now onto the awning. Alrighty, camp is all packed up. Alrighty guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to the end, and if you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and I've got plenty more camping videos on my YouTube channel, so make sure to check those out if you can. Cheers guys, I'll see you on the next.